Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to understand one important concept, that is division of a fraction, and there are three types of division under that. These topics are under CBSE Standard 7 syllabus from the chapter number 2, fractions and decimals. So when we are talking about division of fraction, so there are three kinds of possibilities into that. First is division of whole number by a fraction. Second is division of fraction by a whole number, and third one is division of a fraction by another fraction. So we will see all the three possibilities and we will learn that how to solve numerical when there are three different types of divisions are there. Now let us learn about the first type, the division of whole number by a fraction. So division of whole number, first of all, whole number is, I am taking here 3 divided with 2 by 5. So this is my fraction. So this is, for example, that when whole number is in division with fraction. So what we will do here, that first we will convert this division sign into multiplication sign, and then we are taking the reciprocal of the fraction. Now what is the meaning of reciprocal? Reciprocal means whatever number or whatever fraction we have, when we will multiply this with its reciprocal, the reciprocal is 5 by 2. Now how we have written this reciprocal? The numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. When we will multiply the fraction with its reciprocal, we will get 1. Why we will get 1? Because 2 and 2 we can cut here, and 5 and 5 we can cut here. So we will get here 1. Again, whole number. This is a whole number, and what will be the reciprocal of this whole number? The reciprocal of the whole number is 1 by 3. So 3 is in the numerator, 3 will go to denominator. So 3's reciprocal is 1 by 3. So when we will multiply this 2, again we will get 1. So now what all are the reciprocals? So 7 by 5. So 7 by 5's reciprocal is 5 by 7. So numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. If there is a number like this, that 2 is a whole number. So reciprocal of the 2 is 1 by 2. It will go to denominator. Now for example, if 1 by 6 is there, then the reciprocal of 1 by 6 is 6. This is in the denominator, so it will go in numerator. So 1 by 6 reciprocal is 6 whole number. So that is how we are writing reciprocal. So how to solve this? That first we will write 3, then we will write multiplication sign, and then we will take a reciprocal of this number. So 2 by 5 is there, here we will write 5 by 2. Now this sum we can solve how we are solving the multiplication. So here nothing is there in the denominator, so we can write here 1 and we will just simply multiply. That 3 into 5 divided by 1 into 2. So the answer here is 3 into 5 is 15 in division 2. So this is going to be our answer, but this is improper fraction, so we have to convert it into mixed fraction. So what we have done here, whatever the second number was, it was our fraction. So we have convert this first step. We have convert the division sign into multiplication sign, and second step we have taken the reciprocal of the number. We have taken the reciprocal of second number. So these are the two steps, and then we have to follow the multiplication, that how we are doing the multiplication, the same way we can solve the numerical. So these two steps we have to remember. The division sign we have to convert it into multiplication sign, and whatever number will be there here, that we will convert it into its reciprocal. Second possibility in the division is division of a fraction by a whole number. For example, here we are taking 2 by 5 in division with 3. This is exactly opposite to what we have taken earlier. So this is fraction divided by whole number. So here also we are following the same step. That first step is we are changing division sign into multiplication sign, and second step is the second numbers reciprocal we will write. So these are the two steps we are following here also. So we will write 2 by 5, then we will change division sign to multiplication sign, and the second number. Now second number is a whole number, so this is 3. It is in the numerator, so we will write this into the denominator. This is the reciprocal of 3. 1 by 3 is a reciprocal of 3. So now we will follow the simple multiplication, that 2 into 1 divided by 5 into 3. Now while doing this, we will check that whether we can reduce anything over here or not. If we can reduce anything, we can cut anything, then we will cut it here. We will reduce the term and we will change it. We will convert them into the lowest possible form. So now we will get here 2 divided by 15. So 2 divided by 15 is our answer for this. And this was under category of division of a fraction by whole number. When fraction we are dividing with whole number, we have to solve it like this. The third category of division is division of a fraction by another fraction. So if we are taking here 2 by 3 divided by another fraction, we are taking that 7 by 5. So when two fractions we are dividing with each other, what we need to do here is, first we will write the first fraction, then we will convert this division sign into multiplication sign, and the second number's reciprocal we have to take. So 7 by 5's reciprocal is 5 by 7. What is the reciprocal? Denominator will become numerator and numerator will become denominator. And what is the characteristic of reciprocal? That when you will multiply the number and its reciprocal with it, you will always get 1. For example here, so 7 by 5 you will multiply with its own reciprocal, we will get here 1. As an answer we will get here 1. So this is a property of reciprocal, that you will multiply a number and its reciprocal, then we will always get 1. So here this is our multiplication. So let us write this 2 into 5 divided by 3 into 7. Now at this step we have to check whether we can reduce anything or not. So here we cannot reduce anything. So we will write 10 divided by 21. So this is going to be our answer. So when we are dividing fraction with fraction, we are following the same method. So for all the division, we are following the same method, that first division sign we are converting into a multiplication sign, and second thing is the second number's reciprocal we will write, and then it is followed by the multiplication. Now let us solve some of the numerical based on the above division categories. So first is 5 by 7 divided by 2. So this is fraction with a division with whole number. So here what we will do, 5 by 7 will remain as it is. We will multiply this and we will take a reciprocal of 2. So reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2 followed by simple multiplication. So 5 into 1 divided by 7 into 2. So here we are getting 5 divided by 14. At this step we have to check that whether we can reduce anything or not. So we cannot reduce anything. So here we will get 5 divided by 14 is our answer. Similarly, we can solve all this numerical like this. Practice all these numericals and write your answers in the comment box below. If you have any doubt, you can comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe Learn Yourself for many more upcoming videos. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing.